Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if we look carefully about the power of n to the power of 4, the highest power is about number 4. This one, we have n to the power of 8 under the square root. So we have number 4 because the square root that is about 1 over 2. Number 8 multiplied by 1 over 2, we have number 4. This one is smaller than this one, so the highest power is about n to the power of number 4. So in this situation, we need to divide by n to the power of 4. Next, if I put this one go inside the square root, that should be like this. Because n to the power of 8 with the square root, we have n to the power of 4. Similar for the second one. So this one divide by this one. So we keep about 7 over n. And this one we have n to the power of 8. This one we have number 8. This one we have number 4. So when approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 7 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar this one, and this one. And now we have the final answer. So we have the square root of number 8 over number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.